Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's take a look at this left section, let's say, of the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find battery in the device care. Let's tap on it, and here in this right section we have to enter the battery. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find more battery settings, and as you can see on the second position we've got show battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So simply tap on the switcher here, and as you can see immediately, actually right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.